Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, details, the nearby attractions and landmark also. Lots of reviews and reviews that have been against hotel. Which is the good? A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like this amenities, facilities, amenities, etc. Category 4. Category 5. Room category 6. Room category 7. Required to present required at check-in. The location of the property is attractive. It gives love to enjoy the surroundings. 8 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various fee plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you have already stayed in this property, share your experience in the comment box. Subscribe our channel. Subscribe our channel.